Hi, I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, and today we're going to discuss the basics of shutter speed in 101 seconds or less. Start the clock. Shutter speed is defined as a unit of measure that determines how long the shutter is open during an exposure. Fast shutter speed would be used to photograph sports, racing events, and some wildlife photography. The reason being is when you're covering that kind of stuff, you really want to freeze the action. Slow shutter speed is popular with creative types. Reason being, it allows you to illustrate motion. Like when you arc a flashlight around your subject while he stands perfectly still. Your subject will be sharp, but the light source will leave a trail behind it. Putting it simply, a faster shutter speed will freeze action, and a slower shutter speed will blur action. If you refer to the graphic, you'll see that a faster shutter speed of 1/500th of a second will freeze the action, whereas a slower shutter speed of 1/50th of a second will blur the action. This is Zita, an awesome sousaphone player I worked with a couple of years ago. As you can see in the photo, she's captured in mid-jump. I was able to do this by using a fast shutter speed. I shot this in the National Harbor. It's a Ferris wheel that's in motion. The shutter speed that I used was actually 5 seconds long with the camera mounted on a tripod. And that's a wrap, folks. If you dig it, like it. If you want more, subscribe. I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, reminding you to shoot what you love.